Find any eggs, Logan?
You gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? Talk, talk. Little collecting some eggs today. You can let them out. You can little collecting eggs today. Logan's helping out around here. We got, what do we got? How many eggs we got? I see 3. I see 4. 5. 5 eggs so far. 6 eggs. 6 hens, 6 eggs. What do you think, Logan? Yeah?
Okay.
You think what?
More.
Giving them some food scraps over here too. I don't know, the camera's dirty. There we go, some food scraps. And they love it.